Alright, here we go. We're gonna do S5 Imei repair. I'm gonna show you the old one. Yeah. Let me insert pass. Just give it a couple minutes. Just give it a couple minutes more, you know, we're almost done. It's gonna take like about 2-3 minutes. Sorry guys, I won't stop the video so you guys can see what is being done to the phone, you know, to see the whole process so you guys don't think this is a fake video or something. I have a couple of S5 that are already done. Here you go. Reboot. Just let it reboot, you will see. Just let it reboot, right? This video is pretty long, but I want you guys to see that it's not a fake video. I'm not cutting the video, I'm not stopping the video or something. Booting up. Alright. Alright. Let's check on the settings. Let's wait for the Imei to come up. Sorry for a bad camera. Oh, this focus is bad. There we go. Make sure you insert pass. you want to see it, in action, let me turn it off and put the T-Mobile SIM card in. One minute. Let me get the SIM card. Oh man, guys. See right there, mobile right away. This SIM card is not active. It was active. It just doesn't have minutes. You will see the LTE popping up in just a second. Just give it a minute. Here we go. I'm sorry for the back camera. So you can see. Oh man, this camera is bad. Let me put the brightness up. Let's see the LTE there. Let me make a call. T-Mobile.
T-Mobile 4G LTE, covering 200 million people and counting.
This SIM card is not active. I usually said it was active. It doesn't have minutes right now. You'll see the 4G on top. LTE will come up just a sec. Let's see the T-Mobile symbol. Everything. You see it doesn't have minutes. Doesn't have nothing. Right away working. I'll have a link in the description for you guys, so you can go ahead and buy my list. This is an Imei repair service, mail in only. I need to have the device on hand to do the repair. I'm the only one doing it right now, so if you guys need it, just send me a text on eBay message. I will have my link in the description, so you guys can go ahead and buy it. See you in the next video.